Nisuing pa sa Kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko ng Chaksoa, ang Alicia isang man asimang nadal ni Koborrang ko para katinga. Kata bichurang, Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture, ko prakanga, CRPF ni Nurokan ni ko dakanga, Ajima sang India Team C na seleka ako na, Meghalaya Trinamool Congress Block Level Meeting kong atanga. Chigug pa Koborrang, Sumber Salo adok ni Skutung Minister Conrad Sangma, Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture, SICPAC ko Department of Arts and Culture DAC ni ngo maukasiyang ngo prakyo na nga ha. Meghalaya adok gumuko yan skang pa, mandibang bati asong na chakbat kepa biap nga. SICPAC ko rabani chi adok ni dingtang changa sap kepa artist rang na nambik pa chulbong genok. Yenok ngaw gi hajal sa chasni kola chisku asong ani biap rang donga. Chungba theater ge rechak tamgani asong chakani, Black Box Theater ro ge rechabonga sotsni bri asong chakani aro gesa balaman gwa. Bangbang dagba theater sa khazal chibonga mandirang na chading na biap chaka. Inam big paruk asibik pa nuko tangagong ruchasa sutpunga sa point kolachi gitam krochi rikaha ruchasa kolachi dok point kulgrip kro tangkarangko Central Non-Lapsable Central Pool of Resources ni unaha aro chibonga point chigitam kro ko adok ni dakchakaha. SICPAC ko prakani salo Shillong ni mungsing gaparo namgapa artist rang dakmisokaha aro knatobe gitrang kurung angaha. SICPAC ni oprakani gaman skutong Minister Cornet Sangma social media o parak matingo ya Northeast Jol gaman ko nambat gapa Arts and Culture Hub and Performing Arts Center nga ani parakatanga. Ya dalbig pa biap aro no ko Meghalaya adok ni sotpunga gapa bilsi ni manya ni bilsiyo man nag nina belongan kusyong ani ko bisarang ni salko gisik ani salko ya oprak na matnani na bakusyong ani ko Cornet Sangma parakatanga ha. Sumber Salo Malayo donggapa CRPF ni official rang baksa CRPF ni camp ko gapen biapo na rajut na kamrang ko kaanyo Meghalaya adok ni skutong Minister Cornet K Sangma Meghalaya Police East Kazil sa ajan ni DC office tentang getem ni nokma barang basnang rang ko grong wamang baksa akan gulpro gurka ni ko dakaha aro biapo na riang ni rokani ko dakangha CRPF rang ni atep take jakal paeng gapa biapra Arts and Culture Department ni gamong achem je batanggamen busi sutpri na batpre dalo na kengkeng onenga CRPF kempo gupun biap china rajutani chi wamang ni utpia bulsirang na kengkeng jakal lenggapa biap ko chadam birang na namroros lurani ko genik pa biap badeng chiwalani biap aro Arts and Culture dake jakal skana mangino kenis kutong Minister prakatanga adok na chelchak niro kani ko nani kamrang ko CRPF na chingagro nanggaparang na nga aro yarang ko dengtang biap china rajutani chi wamang ni kamrang ko nambate kaang nam manan baksa wamang ni sipairang na ba nambata biap rang ko nagata manginok ni skutong Minister jana pataha Minister of Home Affairs baksa biap ko rajutani kam ko plug bak manggaparang ni dakchakani ko na ni na ba agan gulpro gakani ko dake wamang ko skutong Minister mathelang ha.
More importantly, our plan is to ensure that while we do that, we want to ensure that in this property, which is meant for art and culture, we would like to see that in the future, some programs like museums about the art and culture of our state should come up here. But also at the same time, since it's a huge plot, we are very keen to have programs of skill development. We're very keen to have programs of Prime, which is an entrepreneurship program that we have. So we plan to have a Prime hub out here, which would then allow the entrepreneurs who would like to open their own businesses to also get the guidance that they deserve. At the same time, there is also a discussion with different stakeholders that if you can have small-scale industries, units also coming up here, like call centers, which are coming up in other parts of the city, especially in the IT park. So all these are being examined, but we will see which one will fit in. But the entire idea will be to create some kind of a
Meghalaya adok ni cricket team ni dala jakudian yo aji masangma Women's Challenger Tournament BCCI Mixed Tournament ni India Team C na select ako matna. Ya changro gapa thara gapa bowler Meghalaya ni senior women's team mo mungsing gapong jin district level aro age group tournament at gapa o rank thangdur krikam. Aji masangma ni India Team C na select ako matna ni ra namin dala rasong chaben yung aro gapan kalams kag perang na nami dakmi sukan yung arwani daki sukani chi gapenrang na kringbate dakang China didiangge ni Meghalaya Cricket Association MC Honorary Secretary Gideon Karkongor Sumber Salo akalanga ha. O tournament ajima na dala jakudiani nga wani Indian Women's National Team o bakrapa naman anyo aro MCA nambate dakang China wishes rangko edambe player ng unatanga ha. Absent sumayon Sarnia RS Aksa Team C ni official manchang ungangen Sarnia Meghalaya Women's Team ni baitaba season na coach ang angapa nga. Sumber Salo Meghalaya Trinamool Congress block level meeting ko Salman para Southwest Garhil so ngatangaha yatong bimonga niyo Trinamool Congress Legislative Party ni Dilgaparo MLA Dr. Mukul Sangma Meghalaya TMC ni MLA Zenit Sangma Meghalaya TMC Salman para ni MLA Winnerson di Sangma babak kurang ha yatong bimonga niyo Meghalaya TMC ni Bangbia Dilgaparang ni bakura ako nagnamat na hari atong bimongan ni namin chuso kang ha yan no bakura nagtajol ni mandirang Bangbia ere baha Dr. Mukul Sangma agan prakmatungwa tang ni somai ko uni state na kam ka anirang ko jana pataha or dengtang scheme rang or program rang ko raba e unna ko ba jana pataha Salman para ni MLA Winnerson Sangma uni aganan yo adok ko kaman gija dong parang ni gaman MDA sorkari ko singskaha or dengtang kamrang ko post kalyong ungi dong parang ni gaman bas ngani ko takang ha rangsa ko na ni MLA Zenit Sangma ni aganan yo Dr. Mukul Sangma ni si mutungwa adok na kam ka parang ko jana pe akan tapang ko ha yetum bimongani ko na tani sumayo children's day ko bisarang ni salko gisikrai Dr. Mukul Sangma bisarang mong golpro kang ha arwamang na sweet rang ko swalang ha Yandal na Koborrang ni suing kapasakanti kon matela